Subscribe my channel Super Maniac and click the bell icon so you never miss another update. I got a funny feeling. Hey, so what is up guys, this is Aditya and you're watching Super Maniac. In today's video I have got this smartwatch from Cisca, one of the cheapest and the best in the market right now. So I'll be talking about this itself in this very video, so let's keep rolling. So guys, let's start with the build quality of this smartwatch. Starting with the material usage on the smartwatch, it's totally made up of plastic. That could be the rims of the smartwatch or including the buckle at the back which ties the watch around your wrist. Even that is made up of plastic. No aluminum or steel used in the making of the smartwatch. Again, when you see the price point, you cannot expect aluminum or steel in the making of the smartwatch. Anyways, talking about the build quality, although it is made up of plastic, the build quality, I must say, it is pretty great according to its price range. Let me just take it out and show you. So when I stretch the band, it stretches, and as I leave, it comes to its original form, which means it will go pretty well and you can use it for a really long time. And I can assure you this watch will not break easily, and if it breaks also, pretty small price range, no offense. So yeah, also the smartwatch is IP rated, so you can take it to your pool, you can drop it, you can even wash it, so no worries from water. So the display is 1.3 inches TFT LCD display, but it does its jobs pretty good because it has 3 brightness level and it will not disappoint you under the outdoor conditions or under sunlight. Moving on, this watch comes with one singular touch sensitive button at the bottom. The whole display is not touch sensitive. You can actually say this is pretty similar to the Redmi bands with one touch sensitive button at the bottom. So if you long press, it will go deep in the menu, and if you single press it, it will change the options, or you can even change the face of the watch. Moving on, this comes with a magnetic charger somewhat similar to the MacBooks from Apple, and it charges the battery around in 2 hours, and the battery life on this watch is around 14 hours on my automatic usage of heart rate sensor, and otherwise it goes around 15 days, so pretty good battery life, I would say. Moving on, this watch comes with an heart rate sensor at the bottom, and it takes around 15 to 20 seconds to measure the heart rate accordingly, cause I have set it on automatic, so the heart rate will change in every few seconds, but it does not change on the manual settings, it will remain same. Moving on, this watch comes with this app called Cisca Fit, one of the most important part, because it will show your steps, your sleep schedule, and even your heart rate at the one place. You can also connect this with the Apple's Health app if you have an iPhone, which will do its job seamlessly. And here you have call alerts, the sedentary alerts, and then you have alarms alert, and then you can change the wallpapers, you can change the watch faces directly through the app. And also you have this heart monitoring function here. You can select it on automatic or manually. I have selected automatically and it does its jobs pretty well. Also you have other functions, let me just show you. You have this activity display, one of the most important again. You have other display languages and also. Let me first show you the activity on this, and you have maximum of 3 selections. You can select any of these from here. That could be outdoors, hiking, running, walking. Also you have this language selection, you have date and time format selection. Also you have this brightness level selection, which I have mentioned at the very beginning that it has 3 brightness level. So yeah, and also there is this one extra function. What you need to do is click the plus symbol in the middle of the app and you will reach here. So this is types of activity. You just need to click any of these and it will start tracking immediately. So guys, this was all for today's video. Hopefully you liked it. Make sure to subscribe my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to share it. I will be leaving all my social media handle links in the description box below. Make sure to go out there and check it out. This is Super Maniac signing out. I got a funny feeling. I got a funny